the chunky cottage cheese in my squishy soda.
You saw it on Dr. Squish first, everybody. Golden poop slime. Hi guys, it's Dr. Squish. I am gonna be cutting open some squishy toys on my show today, playing with some slime and doing some super fun things as always. Before I get started, I wanted to remind you that tomorrow on the Wheel of Squish, I am going to be announcing the winner of this beautiful, gigantic, squishy mango. If you wanted a chance to win that, you just gotta be a subscriber, and that is it. And I will be announcing the winner on tomorrow's show, so tune in. So let's get started cutting open these squishy toys. I'm gonna start with a couple things that you've seen before. These are from Papa Squish. I told you guys I usually try to save my squishies if I can, and you saw me cut open this adorable squishy angel from Stitch. So this is the girl version of Stitch. You can see her little eyelashes. She's pink and she had Orbeez inside of her. Now Papa Squish has done something else. It's still kind of pink, not exactly pink. It's kind of shrimpy colored. But he saved this squishy skin. You can see where I cut it open and he has repaired it somehow. And it is very adorable, and I am going to cut it open. So let's cut it open right here on this side this time and see what he put in here. I don't think we can save it twice, so I'm just gonna cut up the side. Ooh, what is this? Bye-bye, Angel, you've been fantastic. This is definitely slime, but it's weird slime. It's like chunky or something. It's super stretchy slime. It doesn't tear or anything. Well, it looks to me like it's got heart sequins in it, which is super cute, seeing as how Angel is Stitch's little girlfriend. I don't know about this slime. This is some weird slime. Cool, Papa Squish. You know what? I wonder if this was, Ooh, it pops good. Ooh, it's poppy. Do you guys remember my bacon slime? Maybe that's what this is. I can't tell. That was super stretchy. Maybe if it got all mixed up. Maybe he mushed it all up and put some sequins in it. Let me know what you think. I love it. Cool, Papa Squish starting off with some super cool slime in there. Let's go with this egg next, because we got another Papa Squish one, but I want to go back and forth between some cool stuff. Now this was something I forgot that I had. I don't know how long I've had it, but I was going through my squishy bin and I was like, what the heck is in this egg? And it is an egg, but it's black. Oh my goodness. Why? Why is it black? That's so crazy. It's super sticky and clear and stretchy, but that black egg yolk is just killing me. Who has ever seen a black egg yolk? It looks like somebody tried to take a bite out of it. It's like got teeth marks in it. Who's been gnawing on my black egg? You just saw me get it out of the plastic, and it's already got teeth marks on it. That's super weird. I want to see if it'll stick to my background. It sticks to my background. What is it with all these eggs being so sticky? One time I left an egg on my background for like 3 shows in a row. I forgot about it. All right, I'm gonna cut it up. We can obviously tell what it is. I don't think it's got anything in it, but if I do, oh my goodness, wait a second. Before I cut anything, the egg yolk is coming off. I thought it was like one piece.
Dr. Squish is going to manhandle it and get it off of there now.
Come on, that's so weird. Why did it come off of there? I don't know. Very cool.
Ooh, you can almost see Dr. Squish in the reflection.
Awesome. Well, that was a pretty cool egg squishy for coming out of a capsule toy machine. It was very surprising that it was black. I still don't get it. Why? Why is there a black egg squishy? I don't know.
Dr. Squish doesn't always know the things.
Now, unlike one of my very first shows on Dr. Squish, I cut open a red one of these. It was old and it was yucky and it was disgusting inside. I remember cutting it up and I remember thinking, man, this is a really, really gross squishy. It was like a red soda. This one is a green soda. So I want to cut this one up. I got this one a brand new. So we're gonna see what's in the squishy soda and see if it's just as disgusting as its red cousin was. That one was like chunky cottage cheese in there.
I don't want the chunky cottage cheese in my squishy soda.
I'm gonna cut right here like we're gonna drink some of this soda. Oh, squishy soda, anyone? Oh, no, thank you. No, thanks.
That's some fancy new soda right there.
So see, that looks just like mashed potatoes, except the other one was, I guess, really old and it had gotten like gray and gross. So this one isn't much better, but at least it's not gray and chunky. It's got chunks of potatoes in it. I don't know what this stuff actually is. I definitely wouldn't eat it, folks, if I were you. Well, I am happy to see that whoever the makers of the green and red squishy sodas are did not actually put gray chunky cottage cheese in there. They just put mashed potatoes in, because that makes a lot of sense. Yes, it does. Okay. Next I'm still playing with this squishy slime. Next we will do my next Papa Squish squishy. You guys watched me open this as well. I think this is one that had the grapes in it, and I gave the squishy skin to Papa Squish, and he has done something to it. So let's see what he did. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna cut this one all the way up too. Oh my. What in the world? That's gross looking. It kind of looks like Christmas tree slime or something. It's very oozy. Whatever this is needs activator on it.
Very sticky, very oozy, very green.
That did the trick. So I had a little bit of activator I added to this. No, it's not so sticky. Papa Squish has made some interesting slime here. Wait a second. I recognize this slime. See, Papa Squish likes to recycle my slime. This looks, guys, don't you think this looks exactly like my big, huge slime smoothie? The one that I did where I mixed everything all together, like in a huge bowl. Except that was like a pukey, I don't know, like beige color. This is a pukey green color. So he obviously put some food coloring or something in here. But definitely squishy slime. It looks kind of like Christmas tree slime to me now. Strangely beautiful. Well, Papa Squish has actually given me a couple of cool slimes today, which is pretty interesting considering that the next thing I'm going to be doing is a slime as well. This one is not a squishy. This one is, it says it's painting slimy. This is a little paint can I got out of the capsule toy machine, just like that egg. This one is a slime can. I think it's maybe like barrel of slime, but it says it's a paint can. So I am excited to see. I think that the red can means it's gonna be red slime because they had a bunch of different colors.
Oh, I'm almost there. I've almost got it.
Okay, I got it. I was right. It is red slime in here. I've never gotten this slime before. Ooh.
Get out of there, Mr. Slime. What are you doing? Get out!
This slime is very uncooperative. Oh, that is cool. This is a lot like barrel of slime, but the color is a little bit different. It's bright red, like color crayon fire engine red. And this is definitely jiggly slime. This isn't the kind of sticky slime that you get when you make slime homemade. A super jiggly, wobbly, cool slime. That is an unexpected thing to get out of the capsule toy machines. And this one is super cute coming out of this paint can like that. It didn't want to come out of there, but I made it come out. All right, everybody, I have got one last squishy toy to cut up. I know you've been looking at it. I know you see it back here. It is this beautiful golden poop. Now this one is not a foam squishy. This is a stretchy squishy, a rubbery squishy that's got something inside. At first glance, it looks like it's got water in there. It is so squishy, and it is golden poop. This is meant to be poop. This is not golden ice cream, people. Nobody's eating poop-shaped ice cream. This is poop. It is golden, it is beautiful, and here's the deal. This is the bag that it came in, and it says right here what's inside it, and it's got TPR, water, and PVA. Now, PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol. That's what's in the glue and the face masks and all the things that make slime. So I think there is something in this poop that will make slime. I'm going to do an experiment and find out. I'm going to try and make slime. This is a first for Dr. Squish, a first on my show, a first ever. I'm going to try and make slime with what comes out of this squishy. I have never done this before. I don't know if it's going to work.
It may be a huge fail, everybody. Dr. Squish, do your best, okay?
I will, Golden Poop. I will. Don't you worry. Maybe if I cut a little hole, I can give it to Papa Squish and he could do something. You guys, again, leave a comment down below what he could put in this cool golden poop squishy, and maybe you'll see it on the show again. Excuse me, I had gross things on my scissors. We don't need any gross things in whatever slime I am hopefully going to make here. I'm so hoping that this works. I'm gonna cut it up down here, get a good hole in it so I can get whatever this is out of there. Oh, it does look more like glue. It's not water. I think this is glue, you guys. It looks like really thick, like glue would be. That is why the golden poop was so stretchy. I'm gonna add a little bit of coloring to it and see if I can get it kind of looking golden. A little yellow, the teeny tiniest bit of brown. And we're gonna see if I can get it to look golden with yellow and brown. And then I am going to take my little tool here and my eyeshadow. You saw me do this trick on another show. I have this pearly white eyeshadow here, and it's going to make it a little bit shimmery and pearlescent and hopefully look a little more golden with that yellow and brown color. The reason I'm doing this is because eyeshadows are basically just pigments, and that is just a $1 eyeshadow from the dollar store. These are just pigments. This one's super pearly and like iridescent kind of. And so I'm just grinding it up on this thing, and I'm gonna put it in the slime and see if it makes it shimmery and pearly along with that color that I did. All right, let's mix it up. Now I'm not gonna put water in it because it says on the ingredients thing that it's got water already in there, so I don't know. We're gonna see how this works, guys. Dr. Squish is crossing her fingers. This could just be a huge fail. I don't know. What if it doesn't work? All right, I'm gonna start with just a little bit of activator and cross my fingers and hope it works. Here we go. Let's start stirring. I can't tell. It's getting kind of like honey. I don't know if it's getting like slime. It's getting more like honey. It's getting thicker for sure. Let's see. Maybe if I add more activator. I don't know how much activator I need to add. This is an unusual thing for me. I don't know. This is weird. Something's happening, guys. Something's happening to it. Oh my goodness. It's doing something. It's definitely making some kind of slime. I don't know if it's like my typical slime. Oh, I think we're actually going to end up with slime. I am in shock. I cannot believe it. Oh, not only did we end up with slime, but it's pretty good slime. It's super oozy, like super runny. So it's got a lot of water in that mixture. So it was like a little bit of PVA and a lot of water, I think. I can't believe it. It totally worked. That's crazy. And it did turn out to be a golden slime. Well, I won't say that it made the perfect slime because it's a little bit sticky no matter how much activator I add. And it's so crazy oozy, but it did make slime. That's so cool. You saw it on Dr. Squish first, everybody. Golden poop slime. I guess Papa Squish could put the golden poop slime back in the golden poop. I've actually never felt slime that felt quite like this. It's very like watery, oozy, and very sticky, but wow. Well, I had to put it back in the bowl because it's super oozy. No matter how much activator I put in it, it stays oozy, but it is a very cool slime. I am very pleased with how it turned out, guys. Alright, you guys know what time it is right now. It's the time you leave me a comment to let me know what you thought of this crazy video. Who knew you could make crazy golden slime with the insides of a squishy? Not me. That turned out super cool. Alright, go ahead and tap on my logo right over there by the soda can. That way you'll never miss a cool squishy video right when it comes out. Or you can tap right over here by Good Day Tama somewhere and you will see a video you may have never even seen before. And I will see you on my next show. Bye bye, squishy fans.